Heidi ho! Right, today I'm going to do an Oklahoma quarter with a good old US of A. So first of all, I've got this banger hole in it. I hope everybody's feeling dandy today. Mr. Wonderful is spotty dog today as well. Right, there you go. Let's go over to the lady in red. Lady in red. A bit of magnification on there, aren't there? You got any questions? Chuck them in the comments. I answer all my comments. Even the sad ones. Well, I don't get that many sad ones though. Right. Let's take a bit of that away, shall we? This punch is from Jason Works and it's self-centering. Screws down and self-centers the coin. Not cheap, but worth it. Like anything, you get what you pay for. When I started, I had just this cheap one. It cost 84 euros, I think it was. Absolute rubbish. I used it about, I don't know, a couple of weeks and nah. I mean, that thing was like 600 bucks. But it's lasted, you know. Alright, let's warm it up with Bernie. Bernie. If you'd like a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can even send me your own coins. This is copper clad, it's not silver. But still made with love. Right, where is Dimples? So we're going to go with it's going to have to be this side, isn't it? How does it have to be this side? No, I'd say this side, sunny side up, because you've got Oklahoma, haven't you? Yeah. So if you're from Oklahoma, there's a movie there somewhere, isn't there? I think what is there a movie called Oklahoma? Is it from the 40s or 50s or something? I don't know. You guys know. I know nothing. Right. Let's show a bit of love. And then we want one of these 17-degree folding die, like that one should do the job. Yeah. We want to get that in there like that, but we also would like to have it a little bit more level. Ain't too bad. That's pretty gorgeous. And then we'll show a bit of love. No. Right. I'll just warm it up a bit I'm going to stick it on Spike and see what he's got for us. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, I just showed it a bit more love with Bernie. We just want to get that bow out of it. We want it more sort of cone shaped. So I've got some more, and they said bog roll then, it's toilet tissue. Might be some ladies watching. And this is Spike, he's a ring stretcher. And he stretches your ring. Oh, yeah. Oh, hang out. There you go. No bow, more cone shaped. There's a little bit of a lip inside, so we shall cut that out. I suppose you want to see that as well, don't you? You have to see everything, don't you? Hey? Worse than children, a lot of you. I don't know what's wrong with my pussycats today. God, they're going crazy. That's good. So, we'll now break out the Dremel. Let's take out Felton. We're sticking Kate Bush. And they're just looking, this is like Godzilla steel wool on the end of this. They're just looking to clean it up, get the fire scale off it. It soon comes up, doesn't scratch it. It just makes it look gorgeous. I use this on me every morning, this cape, so I look pretty gorgeous as well. Yeah, right, okay. So we'll take our Kate, we'll whack in Felton John, and we'll give it a bit of polish, and see how she comes up. Right. Do you want to get any closer? Do you want to get a bit closer to me? Do you? Okay then. You did ask for it. There you go. I do custom orders. You want a ring made? Let me know. And I don't rip people off shipping. To ship a ring to the States or Canada or Australia is €10. Europe is 7. Right, what do we got? Clean off the mingers with a bit of the old toilet tissue. Let's see what we got. We should have a nice shiny quarter. Well, if anyone's got some different sort of coins they'd like to sell me, drop something in the description, you know, or you can email me at yourfingermyring@proton.me. You know, something different. Alright, what we got? There you go. Pretty, eh? That's why I used the paper towel for the inside of the coin ring. You don't lose any of the detail. Not that you're going to see it much, but it's there, you know. I like to keep it. So what size we got? We have a size 10-ish maybe. Oh yeah, 9 and 3/4. I can make them bigger, I can make them smaller. It fits this finger absolutely spotty dog. So thank you all for watching. If you haven't subscribed, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video. Hit that, stuff happens. Hit the like button for me, I could do with some love. And I'll see you in the next episode. And you lot can have this. Have it!